Thokozani bogogo nomkhulu. Asiyekeni ukuyikhohlisa. Akekho umuntu onobizo ngesizathu sokuthi ugogo wakhe, umkhulu wakhe, umamakhe, ubabakhe wanqaba ukuthi amukele ubizo lwakhe. I refuse. I literally refuse. I don't care who says what. Mina ngithi, mina salukwa sendoda. Mina ngithi, there is no one, never ever, no one has a calling because of because of my mother refused, because my father refused, before my grandmother refused to accept their calling. Now the ancestors, they are angry at me. They say I must take this calling. Never. Everyone has their own calling. Why then, if your parents or your grandparents refused to go to school, one, your ancestors are not putting that on top of your shoulders and motivate you and push you and forces you to become a medical doctor, to become an engineer, to become somebody who's very good when it comes to saving money. No, I'm drinking this much because of my father used to be a heavy drinker. What about those that their fathers have never touched the alcohol? Why are they then drinking alcohol? Guys, we will never grow. We will never go anywhere in life as long as we're still blaming our parents, we're still blaming our ancestors, our grandparents to say, I'm going through this because of, yes, I can't keep a relationship because of my parents divorced. As if it was nice for your parents to divorce. As if it was the best thing ever that your parents did. Yeah, I cannot progress in life because of I don't have parents. I don't have a father figure. Where did you get the issue of the father figure if you've never had a father in your life? So how do you know about the father figure? So there's many things as far as before si blame abanye abantu. Your calling is your calling. And it's uniquely yours. It's your DNA. You are chosen to take over and move forward. If someone didn't take over, they will see what happens. Is there a problem? Then you need to move on with your problem and stop blaming others. Then let's all become engineers because of our grandparents. They refused to become engineers.